Hello friends, welcome to our channel MNP Guru. Friends, LIC have launched a new plan from 21st October 2020. Its name is LIC New Jeevan Shanti, whose plan number is 858. In this video, we will know about this plan, its features, what are the changes as compared to the older Jeevan Shanti plan, and many more things. So this video is very important. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel MNP Guru, and also please press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of all the upcoming videos on this channel. So friends, LIC's New Jeevan Shanti, whose plan number is 858, is a single premium deferred annuity plan, which is launched on 21st October 2020. This plan have got two annuity options. The option 1 is that you can take deferred annuity on a single life, and option 2 is that you can take deferred annuity for joint life. Deferred annuity means that you can take pension after 1 year and maximum up to 12 years. In this older Jeevan Shanti plan, the deferred annuity options was from 1 year to 20 years. In this new Jeevan Shanti plan, the deferred annuity option is from 1 year to 12 years. The mode of annuity payment is yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly. It means you can take the pension in yearly mode, half-yearly mode, quarterly mode or monthly mode. Now let's see the eligibility. That is who all can take this plan. The first minimum purchase price is rupees 1.5 lakh rupees, and the maximum purchase price, there is no limit. And about minimum annuity in this plan is designed in such a way that you will get a monthly pension of 1000 rupees per month, quarterly pension of rupees 3000 rupees per quarter, half-yearly pension of rupees 6000 rupees per half year, and yearly pension of 12,000 rupees per annum. Which means that in case if somebody pays 1.5 lakh rupees and the pension amount does not crosses 1000 rupees per month, then that person have to invest more so that at least the minimum pension of 1000 rupees per month criteria is met. The minimum age at entry is 30 years and the maximum age at entry is 79 years. It means this plan is available for the age group between 30 to 79 years. And the deferred period for pension is minimum deferment period is 1 year and the maximum deferment period is 12 years. You can take this policy on joint life. In joint life, you can add your grandparents, parent, children, grandchildren, spouse or siblings, and the condition of age is same. The joint life should also be of age group between 70 to 39 years. Now let's talk about annuity rates. If the age is 30, the annuity rate will be range from 5.15% to 9.08%. For the age 40, the annuity rate will range from 5.18% to 9.49%. If the age is 50, the annuity rates will be 5.22% to 9.98%. And if the age 60, the annuity rate will be 5.28% to 10.33%. And for the age of 70, it will be 5.37% onwards. We will make a detailed video on annuity rates so that at every age you can know what rate of interest you will get by investing any amount. Now about death benefit. If the annuity purchaser dies, then 105% of purchase price will be paid to the nominee, that is the purchase price plus 5% more will be paid to the nominee. And also about surrender value. This policy can be surrendered at any time during the policy term, and the surrender value ranges from 75% to 90% normally. Also, loan facility is available in this policy. After 3 months from taking this policy, you can also take loan on this policy. So, this was a complete detail on LIC new plan, LIC new Jeevan Shanti, which plan number is 858. I hope you have got all the details of this plan, understand the video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and also press subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed it till now. Until next video, have a nice day and keep smiling.